There they go. There they go. March 2017 snowstorm. There goes Coco. There she goes. Where'd she go? Where'd you go? Where are you? There's Maya. Look at that. Whee! Maya loves the snow. Look at her. Look at her. Are you having a good time? Maya, are you having a good time? You good girl. Coco has a much harder time of it. She's so much shorter. We have sympathy. Poor thing. Look. Boom, boom. Where's Coco? Here she goes. Oh, that wind is harsh. Sorry for the quick turn. See how much snow? See. There. Okay. There's Maya. There she is. There she goes. Now to find somewhere to bathroom, huh, Maya? Good luck. Say about 2 feet worth, at least 18 inches. Sorry for moving around so fast. Poor Coco. Weep, boop, boop, boop. There goes Maya. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Ah, you made a path already. There's my Coco. There's my Coco. You ready to come in, Coco? Come on. All right. Come on, Maya. Good girl.